Hi guys, it's Shah here, the TechBorg, and in today's video we're going to be doing C++. And what my aim of the video today is this is like part of my Python versus C++ series. So I'm going to show you the difference between creating a list in Python and C++. So first I'm going to do it in C++ and show you how actually it's more difficult doing it in C++, and it's just crazy actually. So let me just make it and I'll show you. So firstly, we need to make the make the list itself. So int. So we want to make an integer list, and then we'll just call it nums. And then we have to have two brackets there to show it's like a list format. Yeah, and then you want to equate that to your list, and the list is in parentheses like these, which is different to the ones we have in Python, because in Python we use these ones, the ones that we've just used after num. So, and in there we want to put in our values, so 20, 21, 22, 22, 23. Okay, so let's say we want to call the first value in the list. Well, you know from programming that the first one is actually the 0th one in the computer code. So to output it, you have to do cout, as we always have to do in C++, cout, and two arrows like that, and then cout, and then you want to put num, okay, and then you want to put two brackets, and in the two brackets you want to put in the value you want to output, so num 0, so it should output 20, so it should say hello world and then 20 over here. So run. Okay, it seems to be showing, okay, right. So don't ever forget to put in semicolons or the code won't work, because semicolon represents like after you run this line, move on to this line. So as you can see, it's working guys, and that's that. And as you can see, it's working here clearly. And when it says program finished with exit code 0, it means that it's working, so it's all great. Just press enter, it's going to close it. And that's it for me guys. And no, I'm sorry, my bad. We're going to go into Python now. I should have Python 3. Okay, is there any way I can like change it around or something? Okay, wait, let me just go into this website. Leave. Okay, okay, we got the Python one. So print hello world. To make a list in Python, it's really easy. You just give it a name. So num is equal to, you don't have to write integer num, you just write num, and then in two square brackets you just write down what you want to, so 20, 21, 22, 23. And you see how significantly short it is, and we don't even have to put in these semicolons every time. It's so much more simpler. And print, and then in two square brackets, sorry no, circular brackets like these, and then you want to have num inside that, and then two square brackets in that, and you put in 0, and then run that, and it should output 20. Hello world, and then 20, yeah. And that's it guys, that's all I have to do in this video for you, because this is meant to be a description of the differences between Python and C++, and its insignificance really, and the reason why many people decide to use Python is because of its simplicity, and it's very well designed programming language, and I enjoy Python programming myself a lot, which is why I have many videos on Python, and yeah, and this is my comparison from it to C++. C++, you have to use those squiggly parentheses, and you have to use the square brackets before the equal to sign, which you don't have to do in Python. As you can see, it's significantly easier. And I also recommend this website for coding, because you don't have to get a compiler or anything, it just does it for you, and you can save your programs and all that and share it. So thank you for watching guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, subscribe.